TaskTXT is my new app for disabling distractions. How often do you sit down to do some work only to check YouTube instead? Do you end up feeling guilty because you didn't get anything done? Distractions are fun, and thinking about work is not. So we give in to distractions, making the problem worse. Now, you may wait for motivation, focus, and energy to come, but it doesn't work that way. Motivation follows action. Completing tasks gives us energy. Distractions are holding our goals hostage. Now, a tool to organize tasks and battle distractions sounds great, but how many different productivity tools have you tried and given up on? A lot of these tools are more distracting than the distractions we're trying to avoid. I built TaskTXT for distracted minds like ours. It's based on plain text, which is probably the most boring thing it could be based on. There's no real UI. You're just editing text, and then TaskTXT sprinkles in a little distraction-busting magic in the form of a timer button that gets inserted automatically next to your tasks. So here's what you do. You write down a task that you want to do, optionally type a guess for how long it will take, click the timer button, and what do you think you're going to do next? Go check your email? No, you're on the clock. Your brain is begging to start doing the task now. Being on the clock like this is a huge incentive against giving into distractions. And if you think of other tasks that are part of your work but may distract from the one you're doing now, just write them down below. Super easy to add things. When you're done, you check off the task. It plays a nice ding sound and turns a pleasant shade of green. And you're starting to get addicted to completing tasks. Remember, it's all plain text, so the UI is very simple. You can delete and edit things just by editing the text. It's very chill software, but really effective at keeping you focused. And when a page gets filled up with tasks, some that you've done, some that you haven't, some might be outdated, don't get stressed out by all that stuff. Just create a new page. I create new pages every time I sit down at my computer. And the cool thing is you don't need to think about where this new page goes or what to name it. You're not even allowed to give pages a name. You just click new page, you've got a blank slate, and you can start focusing again. I hope you'll try TaskTXT. It's been huge for my own productivity, and I think it can do the same for you. I've packed the app full of nice little design details, power user features, and I want it to be an app that you can fall in love with, and that it can be your companion in doing focused work free of distraction. Anybody can use TaskTXT on the web for free, and you can subscribe to get unlimited pages, cloud data syncing between devices, use the Mac app, desktop browser, or mobile browser, and a bunch of other nice features.